Like, so the college was co-ed. So a lot of other things also come up. Current batch, they're very shit.
So hello and welcome Vedika to
Hi.
After College's podcast, the city's best youth podcast. We finally finalized on a tagline now, and thank you for coming in. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me. It's great to be here. I am a yapper, so love
That is amazing. I love Yappers, so does podcast.
Yes.
So tell us, like we'll be taking this from a little educational POV, a little bit about your placement, and then eventually we'll come to the more spicy bits. That's your college course, basically. So tell us, Vedika, what was your expectations versus reality like in college?
Honestly speaking, expectations, though I did not have it as such expectations from Manipur. Like obviously.
Don't use it.
Oh shit, okay. Like, I did not have as such expectations from my college because once I passed out from school, so I had this group of friends. So we were like, कि college जाएंगे, मजा करेंगे, we'll have fun. But then we did not survive even a year. So the group broke, everything broke. So and ऊपर से हम लोग का college का orientation started very late. It started in October. So उस टाइम तक मोस्ट ऑफ द कॉलेजेस का क्लासेस ही स्टार्ट हो गया था. सो हम लोग का ओरिएंटेशन ही उस टाइम हुआ. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट स्टार्टेड लेट एंड एनीवेज वी वर द कोविड बैच.
Okay.
So the unlucky
Two
batch.
COVID batch people, yeah.
Yeah, so we were the unlucky batch. हम लोग का ऐसे भी सब कुछ लेट स्टार्ट हुआ. So I had this plan to I have a group of people and a group of friends. We enjoy. We don't need anyone else in college. हम लोग ही है बस.
Yeah.
So that is how.
Setting up for the sad story.
Yeah, that is how it had started, to be very honest. Then it did not end up like a lot of fights the first year only. And then
So this first year का trope is very real, ना? कि पहले
Yeah.
everybody is friends and then eventually it just comes wrong.
It's actually better if you are school friends and you go into different colleges because you don't know a lot of things come into the college life. You get a lot of exposure. And since I was from a girls' school, so the college was co-ed. So a lot of other things also come up.
Right.
So that happened, and then I was actually studying for CA.
Yeah.
So I started focusing on my studies, that know nothing and everything. And then after a month or two, I was like, okay, I made a friend in class, and they were all into this social activities like deans of this thing and everything. So I wanted कि हाँ चलो they were like कि चलो करते हैं. Like, are you interested? Yeah. So I started that, and then after that it just did not stop. So expectations was zero, but the reality, I'll say, initially placements, I think we don't have that good placements. Placements, I think we don't have that good placements, but yes, like there are opportunities, and if you can utilize and make use of it, so yes, there are good professors. उनके through भी you get placements.
Right.
The thing is about that, like officially college placements पे there's this cell and everything.
Yeah.
But I think like after the life you've lived, you won't be satisfied with the placement thing.
Okay.
Like looking
What do
at
you mean
other
by that? After
colleges.
the life you live?
In Bhubaneswar, like the expectations and everything, and after everything, I think you look at other colleges, the other
Right.
schools and everything,
Yeah.
and then you'll be like, नहीं यार, I'm working बहुत पीछे and all. But if
Right.
you know how to maximize your potential and everything, Dean sir is there to help. Everything is there to help.
So basically you're saying networking is more important
Yeah.
in these societies.
Yes,
Makes sense.
networking is more important.
Okay, understood, yeah. So for those of you taking notes, that's what she essentially is trying to get at. And now coming to the more interesting part, firstly we'll try to ask about your canteen. So there's actually this particular group of people who are very interested in like college canteens, because canteens across colleges are like very different, so which is why we have a separate question for this. So yeah, tell us more about your college canteen.
Okay. So to be very honest, the first year that we went to college, there
Yeah.
was no canteen. Yes. So अभी जो canteen देख रहे हैं हमारे time पे
Yeah.
was what under repair, and there was no canteen at that time, and so there was this okay-ish canteen.
Yeah.
Food was okay, and then the last year.
What
the third
according to
year,
you is okay? Define okay. क्या था?
It was like a basic बैठने का जगह था,
Yeah.
and then there was this milkshake counter, food counter. That's it.
What
So-
did you guys have in your food?
Oh, food was good. I think the menu was good, great. even and then after the renovation and everything और ज़्यादा अच्छा हो गया.
क्या क्या था?
Okay, so there were cold coffee, I think, which everyone loved. Yeah, cold coffee. There were dosa, chole bhature. There was
So then you cannot complain because
Yeah.
the kind of the
Food
person
was
who I
good.
previously interviewed, right? Josh and me will actually agree that our college is not as good in terms of canteen. So yeah, no, you do not get the right to complain about a canteen and a canteen
It
not
was
being
very
good
hot.
because they are getting dosas, they are getting cholas and whatever else. So
Yeah.
yeah, ये हमें कॉलेज के बाहर मिलता है, हमें कॉलेज के अंदर
वो तो
नहीं
हमारे
मिलता।
कॉलेज के
We
बाहर
had to
मिलता है.
outsource.
No,
So,
no, the dosa.
yeah, she's like वो तो हमारे कॉलेज के
Yeah,
बाहर
yeah,
मिलता है,
yes,
अंदर मिलता है,
सब
बाहर
कुछ
मिलता
मिलता है हमारे कॉलेज के
Yeah.
बाहर. Everything you find each and every food item around our college, outside our college, right opposite our college, and I think it's world famous.
Right.
Like Calcutta famous.
Okay.
जो कॉलेज के बाहर वाला डोसा है, so everyone prefers there. It's very budget.
I think even we can say that about yeah. But yeah, anyway, go on.
Yeah.
We're not starting college wars here, yeah. Continue.
Yes, yes. No, it's very hot. Like you cannot sit there except in winters because it's way too hot. सिर्फ पंखा चल रहा होता है and there's so much heat coming out of the kitchen because it's directly connected.
Right.
So in general, बाहर का heat, अंदर का heat, it's
Right.
way too hot.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
you're sweating. There's humidity. So in terms of that, you can say you cannot sit there and have and enjoy during summers. But then winters के time, I think सबसे ज़्यादा crowd ही आपको कैंटीन में मिलेगा हमारे कॉलेज में. Because that's a hangout spot. Yeah, no one is telling you कि यार you
No,
have to
because
get up.
everybody from almost everybody that I see from your college, उनके story पे I almost see they're hanging out in the canteen. And I'm like, कितना जगह है? एक दिन में कितने लोग को accommodate कर सकते हैं? Because every other day I see somebody putting up stories of this place.
It's from here to there.
It's got those iconic yellow chairs and it's like,
Yeah, it's here to there. It's not
I
that
still
long.
see
But
almost
it's
everybody
very
there and I'm like, yeah.
The tables and people randomly sit. The best part about our college is that no one is, like कि हाँ हम group पे हाँ वो नहीं है. There is, but then it's not that you cannot sit there.
It's not in the canteen. Groupusm
Yeah.
is not applicable to the canteen.
Yes, it is not.
We fam when we dine. So that's it. That's it.
Yeah.
So tell us, now coming to the most interesting part, tell us more about your college course.
Gosh,
Could be
oh my
yours,
God.
could be anybody else's.
People
Yeah.
are excited. But I cannot say anything controversial. I think college gossip as such कुछ नहीं except that
Actually, you can. You just don't have to take names.
names. If I actually say it out loud, everyone is going to know
Yeah, so who
everything.
cares? I mean, we'll get more engagements. I'm really pushing. But why?
Honestly, there's no much gossip. I think the faculty and everything. I can tell you one thing. There was this teacher, okay, when we started college in Dean's office. So, उनके and there's this strict teacher and there's this teacher who is liked by all the students.
Okay, yeah.
The people who work in fests and everything.
The general polarity.
Yeah. So the strict teacher one, she has now become a very softer one because उनकी जो दो favorite teacher थी, जो और थी, now they are not there.
Okay.
So now she has to, oblige with us and
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
So now when our juniors tell us कि यार मैम तो बहुत अच्छी हो गई है, मैम तो हमारा ये बात सुन रही, वो कर रही, हमने हाँ ये हम लोग अगर होते she would have yelled at us और पूरा कॉलेज ही सर को उठा लिए होते कि क्या है क्या नहीं है. But then I think because of that also we got to learn a lot because discipline is important. And then एक अच्छा चीज it's funny.
Yeah.
I'm talking about discipline and
Yeah.
our college. But fests के time there
Your
is a lot
college is
of
not known for discipline, so I mean, I'm sorry,
Yeah.
but like, yeah.
It is not known, but then
Guess
during,
which college?
during fests,
Yeah.
I think each and every student has
Has to
some-
follow certain.
Yes, there is.
Yeah.
If you actually look into the college fest background of a college, I think it's one of the best colleges to host.
Right.
So, and every person
Yeah,
usually
loves
says
it.
that.
Yeah.
People love it. Though the campus is small, but they are renovating. And it usually happens with
ये
our
बस
batch.
brand ambassador बन के आई है अपने college के लिए. Say something controversial, please. So, yeah, go beyond the boundaries. We want
No, I
something
love
to
my
say
college.
engagement time.
I think
So you
I
can
love
talk
my
about other
college.
people's goals. It's fine. As long as you know it, it's your story.
Next, I don't know where to start from.
You can
honestly
just
don't know
give
where
us
to
one
start.
story. Any random story. Yeah.
There is too much. It's like, so abhi I'll say that people are more focused. I can say realize
Yeah.
the thing. And say कि हम लोग का batch जो था, we were more about doing the fest, enjoying the fest, and more involved in the fest rather than the post or position that we were getting. So it was more about enjoyment and spending time with friends and everything. The current batch, they're very shit. Oh yes, the
Yeah.
current batch, the new batch, except a few people, I think everyone.
No,
is shit.
don't filter that out. Don't give us that nonsense.
What?
Don't
No,
do the
I'm saying-
diplomatic
no,
bullshit.
it's
Just
not
say the
diplomatic.
controversial statement.
It
Yeah.
is true. It's like
Yeah.
out of 3,000
Yeah.
people, I'll say only 5-6 are good. I'm saying that
Okay.
because I know them, so they are good.
Yeah, yeah.
Apart from them, apart from them, everyone is shit. Yeah,
Yeah.
the upcoming batch में तो सभी को मेरे को लगता है.
Why?
सब
What do you
कोई-
mean by shit? Why would you
I
call it
am
shit?
looking at Insta and people are like, my first year.
I know. Oh my god, I swear. There's this person from your college. I don't know if you guys know him or not. He starts with that. A hazy camera.
Yeah.
And his music hair, which gets to like
That is so annoying to look at.
and then he I don't know, he interviews random people and then he's like,
Oh,
I had social
social-
anxiety in college.
Yes.
I'm like,
yes. Yeah. And I'm like, this is the standard of the current batch. I'm like, I'm so glad I was born 3 years ago and not Abhi ka.
almost everybody is like, this is my seminar, I'm here, today is my first orientation day. I mean, we did not even record that.
Exactly.
We weren't even allowed the phones to record
No,
that.
we were allowed
Yeah.
phones and everything, but then it's not like कि I'm recording and vlogging
Yeah.
everything. Like you go to our college, you will not find people chilling and sitting and talking. They're all with their phones out, recording something,
Yeah.
shooting reels.
Everybody is a
and all.
vlogger these days. And I'm
Exactly.
sorry, but like, yeah.
I mean, they're trying to be. Not vlogger, they're trying to be. And the college is a great place to shoot, to be
Yeah,
honest.
yeah.
And renovation के बाद
And
again-
content तो मिलता ही रहता है constantly.
Exactly. You
Quite
can't
honestly, I don't have any hate for those people. Let me be diplomatic because I will feature those people very soon. So let's not.
No, I don't have hate, but then it's just cringy
Yeah.
to look at. I mean,
Yeah.
you don't have to record everything. Just enjoy the moment.
Yeah.
Be in the moment.
Okay, I think that's a word of advice for today. Enjoy the moment and be in the moment. So with that, I think we're going to draw close to this. So thank you, Vedika, for coming in. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much for having me. It was wonderful. I had a great time.
Thank you. Thank you for being so honest. Thank you for your end ka controversial and crack. So yeah, I think we're
Thank
done.
you guys. Please do follow, like,